In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the menu bar on Squarespace. So, you've built your Squarespace site and it's looking sharp. But there's one small detail that's just not quite right. The menu bar positioning. Maybe it's too far to the left, not centered, or doesn't stand out enough for your visitors. Whatever the case, you've decided it's time to edit the navigation layout. And I'll show you how to do it in just a few minutes. Step 1. Log into Squarespace. Start by going to squarespace.com and click the Login button. For a smoother experience, select Continue with Google and choose the Google account linked to your website. Step 2. Access your website. Once logged in, head to your Squarespace dashboard. If you have multiple sites, select the one you want to work on. Step 3. Enter Edit mode. Click the Edit button on your site dashboard. This will take you into the site editor, where you can make visual and structural changes to your pages. Step 4. Edit the site header. The site header is where the menu bar, also known as your site's navigation, is located. Hover over the header and click Edit Site Header. This opens up customization options specific to your navigation bar and header. Step 5. Customize navigation layout. Next, click on Edit Design within the header editor. Here, you can adjust the navigation layout. Move the menu bar to the left, center, or right, and change its spacing, font, or style. This is where you edit navigation elements to better match your branding and site structure. Final touches. You can also modify the size, background color, and alignment of the menu bar. Whether you want a minimalist look or a bold, centered menu, the header design settings give you full control. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully learned how to move the menu bar on Squarespace and edit the navigation to better fit your design goals. Remember, you can come back and adjust it anytime. Feel free to experiment until your site looks exactly how you envision it. Even small changes like repositioning your navigation can greatly improve the user experience. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful Squarespace tips.